Namaste. Three main parts of a computer are input devices, processor or CPU, output devices. The full meaning of the CPU is Central Processing Unit. It is called central because everything in computer system is controlled centrally by the CPU. It is called processing because it processes all the arithmetic and logical operations. It is called unit because it is a chip that contains countless transistors. Input devices are mouse, keyboard, etc. and output devices are printer, monitor, etc. Namaste.